It is.
And as those temperatures continue to climb, you may be tempted to blast that air conditioner. Jackie Orozco joining us live with what you need to know to help conserve power. Jackie?
Yeah, Terry, the folks here at Ohio's electric cooperatives are watching the system very closely, and especially when they see those peak times, and they have the capability of reducing that usage. Now, so far, things are running smoothly here across the state. Ohio's electric cooperatives serve 77 counties in the entire state, and employees say that they typically see a surge in usage around the afternoon, about 2 or 3 o'clock when it's the hottest, and people are cranking up that AC.
When it's warm like this, it's unusually warm for early part of October, and so we notify our member cooperatives that they may need to take certain steps to minimize their load to help reduce our overall cost. And so we issue peak alerts from our location here in Columbus to the co-ops across the state.
Yeah, and coming up at 12:30, we'll be explaining those little steps that you can do at home to minimize your usage, and actually that will go a very long way. So again, that'll come up at 12:30. For now, reporting live here in North Columbus, Jackie Orozco, ABC 6 News.
Jim, with all that heat, energy conservation is going to be quite important. ABC 6's Jackie Orozco joining us now with what you need to know to help conserve power. Jackie?
Yeah, and it's the little things, Terry, that can make a big difference. We're here live at Ohio's electric cooperatives, and they work very closely with AEP and other electric companies across the state, serving more than 380,000 homes. Now, when it's this hot, employees say it's the AC that can overwhelm the power grid. And ideally, they say people can use it later on in the day or have it just set in the low 70s, even 1 or 2 degrees. That will create less stress on the system and avoid major outages.
Typically, it's increasing the temperature of their air conditioner a little bit, using appliances or putting off the use of appliances until later in the day. And then we can also turn water heaters off here locally, and air conditioners as well.
And again, they could do all of that so the system, the power grid, will not be overwhelmed. And I just checked AEP's outage map, and right now there's just only a few hundred people currently without any power, but everything should be up and running later on this afternoon. For now, reporting live here in North Columbus, Jackie Orozco, ABC 6 News.
Wow. Now we can breathe a little sigh of relief. It will soon start feeling like fall.
Yeah, very soon. We have team coverage for you tonight. Jackie Orozco looking into how power companies are hard at work to keep things online. And we'll start with Marshall McPeak, who we banished to the great outdoors again until the heat wave ends. I shouldn't actually say banished, because you love this hot weather. You're living the dream right now.
I am loving this, to be honest. There's a great breeze happening right now. It was a mighty steamy day, though. Our Jackie Orozco is down at North Bank Park tonight, and you've been talking with a business that's been doing what it can to try to keep workers cool today.
Yeah, Marshall, and also speaking with electric workers, and they were saying that if everyone does their part, even the smallest thing, by even changing a degree, 1 degree on your thermostat so your AC won't be blasting, it'll go a very long way across the state.
We have 25 cooperatives that serve load across the state of Ohio. We monitor all of that electricity load here in Columbus.
Supplying power across the Buckeye State.
So we supply electricity to about 300,000 members across the state, and so if each of them takes small steps, it goes a long way.
Here at Ohio's electric cooperative, workers are keeping a close eye on the power grid.
There's a lot of collaboration, a lot of coordination.
Making sure on sizzling days like today, things are working smoothly.
If the loads get too high, we have the ability to turn off some water heaters and minimize the use of air conditioners.
They say if everyone does their part, even the smallest things, it can go a very long way.
Typically, it's increasing the temperature of their air conditioner a little bit, using appliances or putting off the use of appliances until later in the day. And then we can also turn water heaters off here locally, and air conditioners as well.
Craig Groom says you don't have to turn your AC off, just be mindful, because you're not the only Ohioan trying to keep cool on this hot October day.
And we just got word that Columbus City schools will be open tomorrow. If you recall, today and yesterday, they've been closed because of the heat. And coming up at 6 o'clock, we'll be hearing from a local business on how they're being creative to keep cool. For now, reporting live here in downtown Columbus, Jackie Orozco, ABC 6 News.
Yeah, got to get creative for these hot days in October. Thank you, Jackie.